Mastering meal prep. Plan your plates ahead. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that can help you not only with your English learning journey but also with leading a healthier and more organized lifestyle. We're talking about planning meals ahead. It's a simple phrase that carries a lot of benefits and techniques within it. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking to simplify your daily routines, this video is for you. So, let's get started. At its core, planning meals ahead refers to the process of deciding what to eat for upcoming meals and preparing them in advance. This can be done for any meal of the day: breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even snacks. The main idea is to have a plan for what you'll eat throughout the week or the next few days. This planning can include making a shopping list, buying groceries, and even prepping or cooking meals ahead of time. You might wonder why you should bother planning your meals ahead. Well, there are several key benefits. Saves time. Having meals ready means you spend less time cooking daily. Healthier eating. Planning helps you make balanced and nutritious meal choices ahead of time. Budget-friendly. Buying only what you need reduces waste and saves money. Stress reduction. Knowing what you're going to eat in advance can reduce mealtime decisions and stress. Planning your meals might seem daunting at first, but it's quite simple once you get the hang of it. Here's how you can start. 1. Decide on the number of meals. Determine how many meals you need to plan for. 2. Choose your recipes. Pick recipes that are nutritious, enjoyable, and fit your skill level. 3. Make a shopping list. Write down the ingredients you'll need for your chosen recipes. 4. Shop efficiently. Buy what's on your list to stay budget-friendly and avoid food waste. 5. Prep your meals. Spend a few hours preparing and cooking your meals. You can store them in the fridge or freezer, depending on when you plan to eat them. Here are some additional tips to make your meal planning successful. Be realistic. Plan meals that suit your lifestyle and cooking preferences. Incorporate variety. To avoid boredom, include different cuisines and ingredients. Use leftovers creatively. Plan to use leftovers in new meals to save time and money. Involve family or roommates. If you're not living alone, involve others in the meal planning process for more ideas and help. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to planning meals ahead. We hope this video helps you take a step towards more organized, stress-free, and healthy eating habits. Remember, the key is to start small and gradually incorporate meal planning into your routine. Don't worry about being perfect. It's all about making life a little easier and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.